and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. Definitely did not expect to start off this vlog crying, but I just want to be like more open and I guess transparent with my emotions and my feelings, and I guess that this is step one. I just really miss my mom. And we're so close to Christmas and it just feels like crazy. Like I just truly can't believe like I'm living my life without her. I don't know, it's just like so incredibly hard, and I had to take a second. Ranger was just I know he's like trying to comfort me, but he like licks so much, and like my face is covered in slobber right now, but the fact that we're like so close to Christmas, like it just feels weird not having my mom here. And like Christmas is like the best time of the year, like where you feel like so much love and joy, and it's like the happiest time of the year, and it's like magical, and it just like feels like weird with like not having her here. And I don't know, like it's just, I can't even explain it, but I miss her terribly, and I'm just like sitting here like thinking about her, and I don't know, it just sucks. And I just hope like nobody ever has to feel the pain of like losing a parent. And if you have, like, I'm so sorry. I know how hard it is, and I don't know, like my dad isn't in my life, and he hasn't been in my life for several years, and family has just been kind of rocky these past 2 years, and I've truly learned who's there for me and who's not there for me. Like you really do learn a lot when something like traumatic happens in your life. It's crazy. But I mean, I guess in a way, like I am thankful for like God opening my eyes, and like it's funny because I tell my husband like I just should have listened to my mom. Like she knew everything. And it's like so crazy because like everything she would tell me about, or like warn me about, like she was right on everything and like everybody. And I just feel like stupid and like almost guilty sometimes for like not listening to her. And no, but yeah. We're 2 days, one day away from Christmas, and I'm definitely in my feelings, and I'm so sorry. I know y'all don't come on here to see me cry and have me talk about this, and I know it's kind of cringy to post yourself crying on the internet, but I don't know, I just want to be like more transparent with you guys. Like I went a whole 2 years without hardly talking about like my grieving process and just like how I'm doing, and I am finally at a position now where I can talk about it little by little. So if that's something that y'all like, let me know. And if it's something you don't like, I completely understand, like you not watching certain videos of mine. I think I'm gonna get off the couch and start cleaning because I have two of my friends coming over later this afternoon, which is gonna be fun. We're gonna watch the season premiere, or the new season of Emily in Paris, which should be exciting, and I know it's gonna help me take my mind off of things. And I think I'm gonna make like chicken alfredo or something. So I think it's time to get off the couch, stop crying. I've had my moment, and I'm not saying I'm not letting myself feel these emotions. Like I definitely am. I've been on the couch like crying for like an hour. But I think it's time to just get up and push through. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll come back later and hopefully I'm not crying. So I'll see y'all soon. know this is gross, but if you needed a sign to get a Dyson, let this be your sign. I have 2 dogs, and yep, that's all from them. Okay, you guys, it's a little while later. Elda is making crepes. Wow, that was beautiful. We have some Abuelita's hot chocolate that needs to be stirred.
I'm gonna cover those little holes right there.
Oh, beautiful. And what are we watching tonight, guys?
Emily in Paris.
Emily in Paris. You want to
Third season.
You want to show us how to do this one?
Okay.
No?
Time
The pressure is on!
Without getting chocolate on my hands.
The pressure is on, Andrea.
Put some
Guys, I've never
down.
had a homemade crepe before.
Some strawberries. Pack that in. Fold it over. And then put more. Again, without trying to get it on my fingers.
Honestly, it's beautiful.
I don't know how that happened.
So
and
beautiful.
Then some bananas.
Wow. The crepes are done and they look beautiful.
She looked good. Yeah.
Hello you guys, it is a little while later. It's currently 11:30 p.m. and my friends just left not that long ago. I have cleaned the kitchen, loaded the dishwasher, taken a shower. I'm letting my hair air dry for just a bit and then I'm gonna go in with my Dyson. But today was a really good day. It started off a little emotional, but I turned the day around and it was a good day after all. After I cleaned, I ended up making lunch / dinner. I ended up making chicken Alfredo. I thought it was pretty good. The only thing I would have changed was that I made too many noodles and there was like not enough sauce. So, well, there was enough sauce, but I just made too many noodles. I just didn't know. I don't know, when it comes to like making food for like more than 2 people, I kind of panic because I just don't know how to like gauge it. So it was really good, but just too many noodles. So I'll change that for next time if I ever cook for like, I guess, a lot of people. But my friends came over. We watched Emily in Paris. My friend Elda also made homemade crepes. They were freaking delicious. I don't even know how she whipped it together, but it was so good. We had like Nutella, strawberries, bananas, cinnamon, whipped cream. They were delicious. And we had some popcorn, had hot Cheetos, all the snacks, hot chocolate. So yeah, we got up to, I think it was episode 6 of Emily in Paris. We didn't realize it was already 11 o'clock at night and we were like, it's late, let's just call it a night because tomorrow is Christmas Eve and I am so excited. But yeah, it was a rough day, but it's turned it around and we had a really good day. I pretty much just cleaned all day. Like I cleaned everything. Deep cleaned the restroom, the kitchen. The only thing I didn't really get to clean was the bedroom because Matthew was sleeping, but it was pretty clean because I had vacuumed the day before, I think it was. So yeah, but I am going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I'm excited. Tomorrow will be a fun day because it's also my niece Aria. It's her first birthday and we're going to go to the Nutcracker Immersive that is happening. It's kind of happening like this whole month and I believe until next week. So that's going to be fun. They wanted to do like kind of like a little outing for her birthday since they were gonna have like a party for her because you know she's 1 but she loves to like look at lights and stuff, and it's like perfect because it's like super interactive and I know she'll really enjoy it. So yeah, I've never been but I'm excited to go, and then after that we're gonna go have dinner at their house I believe, and then we're gonna go to Matthew's family's Christmas Eve party. I went for the first time last year and it was a lot of fun. They really know how to like throw a party because it was like a lot of fun. So we're gonna do that. So tomorrow is gonna be a really busy day. But Christmas Day, me and Matthew just decided we're gonna just stay home. He only has 2 days off. And one of those is Christmas Day, so he doesn't get any extra days off. He has Christmas Day and then Monday off. So Sunday, Christmas is on Saturday. Or Sunday. I'm like, my days are like all mixed up. Today's Friday. Yeah. Christmas is on Sunday, so we'll have Sunday off and then Monday off. But Sunday we're just going to enjoy Christmas together, just watch Christmas movies all day. I think I'm gonna make the pot roast, so it's gonna be really good. But yeah, you guys, I'm excited. I miss my husband. I like see him during the week, but it's like we briefly talk for like an hour or two, not even an hour, like collectively an hour, like maybe 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes before he leaves to work, and that's it. And he leaves, and then I only get those 2 days with him, so it is rough because we are opposite schedules. But yeah, I'm excited to spend Christmas all day with him and just lounge. It's gonna be a great day. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I also wanted to just say thank you guys if you made it this far to the vlog. Thank you for listening to me. I don't really share much of like my grieving process or my emotions through like losing my mom, but I do appreciate all the sweet messages and the kind words when it comes to like me opening up about that. But yeah, thank y'all for watching Vlogmas Day 23, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 24, or is it 25? Because I'm like a day ahead. I think it's 24, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.